What's up, my people? It's your boy YaoCrack. Thank you for joining me today. As we all know, it's been a while. I dropped the video due to a number of reasons. Trying to get certain things together: career, cash, family. When I say family, I'm not married yet, though, but I'm just my family, as in my nuclear family. The year got off to a sort of a good start. Should I just say it and show it to you, or show it to you and see it? Okay. Yeah, now I have an assistant over here. I got this applause. I got this award for Staff of the Year 2023. That was just the previous year. Have a nice look at it. Yeah. Maybe I'll have to invert the camera for you to see the name. Yeah, so that's my name. Some of you have seen my government name now. Staff of the Year 2023. Employee of the Year 2023, sorry. So it reads, thank you. Your hard work and dedication are truly commendable. This is beautiful. So an award well received, well earned, and well deserved as well, because we put in a lot of hard work. We put in our blood, sweat, our passion.
I work hard, man.
I've said some thanks already online, and mind you, this has been months ago, and I'm now posting it. I'm sorry. Thanks to our CEO, my colleagues as well, Tipsters, Project City. Thanks to them, all of them. They are the ones who keep me driven, who keep me focused at work. And cheers to more years of success for the business, for me as well. And also, this is for you, my fans. As if I have fans. do I have fans?
Boy, if you don't get
associated in my life in any sort of way, this is to you. So I'll put this back. So yeah, I'm returning from a long layoff, right? So I'm just promising you guys there'll be more consistency. Consistency is a key to success. There'll be more consistency in me posting and dropping videos. There'll be more consistency in upgrading the channel. Maybe we'll look at bringing in some people on board, conduct some sort of interviews, maybe get some sort of podcast thing going on. Yeah, those are all future plans, and we'll get them into fruition. So thank you guys once again. I'll see you guys in the next video.